Unlock the full potential of your photography with Adobe Lightroom Classic, the industry standard for professional photo management and editing. At its core, Lightroom Classic uses a powerful catalog system to organize your images. Think of it as a central database that knows where every photo is. Even if it's on an external drive, you import your photos, and Lightroom Classic creates a reference to them, making your workflow incredibly efficient. Your journey through Lightroom Classic is guided by its intuitive module workflow. Starting in the Library module, you can import, cull, organize, and manage your entire photo collection. This is your central hub for digital asset management. Once your photos are organized, the Develop module is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find a comprehensive suite of powerful desktop-centric editing tools that allow for precise adjustments to exposure, color, tone, and much more, all non-destructively. From applying professional presets to fine-tuning individual details, every edit you make is recorded in the History panel, allowing you to backtrack or compare different versions effortlessly. Lightroom Classic ensures your original files are always safe. Beyond editing, Lightroom Classic empowers you to output your work in countless ways. Whether you're preparing images for print, creating web galleries, or exporting for social media, its robust output options ensure your photos look their best every time. Mastering Lightroom Classic means mastering your entire photographic workflow, from the initial import to the final breathtaking output. It's the definitive desktop leader for photographers who demand precision, power, and unparalleled organization.